If you're in your 30s, 40s, and 50s and you need a second income because life has just gotten expensive, tire pop the other day, your bathroom needs redoing, your kids need uniform, you need to pay nursery fees, whatever it may be, and you're just like, I need to find a way to make more money, but I don't want to spend any less time with my family, with my children. I want to be at home. I want it to be flexible. Then please, please, please hear this message and get on YouTube. Now, when I say this, you might be thinking, there is no way I'm getting on YouTube. And 14-year-old me, who's been watching YouTube since forever, would have never thought that I would pick up a camera. I'm actually only on my phone, in my car, and start recording YouTube videos. But let me tell you that you can monetize. YouTube is prioritizing small accounts. They're prioritizing people that are just jumping on here with a goal. It might just be a creative outlet, or you actually just need to make some serious cash online. YouTube is supporting new channels like it never has before. So two things you're probably thinking right now. One, what on earth would I say on YouTube? Like, what would I even talk about on YouTube? And two, how do I make money quickly on YouTube? Let me go for two first, and then I'm going to tell you exactly what your channel is going to be about. In the past, you would have to wait till you got to a certain number of subscribers. I don't even know how many it was, 1,000 or something. And people had to watch 4,000 hours of your videos, and then you would get monetized. And what that means is advertisers pay YouTube for ads, and then YouTube pays the creators that the ads appear on. You no longer have to wait for your channel to get monetized to get paid off of YouTube. It is just one of the many income streams, yes, broken out and all, one of the many income streams that you can make on YouTube. Now, the first one and the easiest one is digital products, okay? You're going to create a very simple ebook, template, video mini course. It can be anything that you can create and sell digitally. This is way easier than you think. My mum, 60 plus, bless her, has actually got a whole suite of digital products that she created herself in Canva, in Google Docs. It's something so simple that can help somebody else. For example, my sister has a side hustle as an event planner, and one thing that she uses a lot is a simple spreadsheet that she uses to organize all of her events, all of attendees for events, suppliers, all of that stuff. And she was like, you know what, I could sell this template to other event planners or other people that just want to do an event and don't want to pay for an event planner. That is her digital product, and it is completely blown up, and it's a simple Excel template. Let me give you another example. I've got a client that has a checklist on all the things that you need as a first-time skier. Okay, she was a woman that had never been skiing before. When she went on her first skiing holiday, she had no idea what to bring. She created a checklist. She now sells it on Etsy, and she makes over £1,000 a month. Now, you're probably wondering, how does this relate to my YouTube channel? So this brings me on to what you're going to start your channel about. You're going to think about something that you can do really, really well, or a struggle that you have overcome. The example that I gave you, the ski checklist, that was a struggle she had overcome based solely on just being confused. My sister, her product is all about something that she has experienced. So as someone in their 30s, 40s, or 50s, you have definitely got a skill. You have definitely overcome a struggle that you can talk about. And so your channel is going to be talking about that thing. And not just that, all the things that are related to that. So for the ski example, she might also talk about other winter holidays. She might also talk about other travel, other trips that she's been on, how you pack for a holiday. Like, there are so many things related to that thing. So all you need to figure out is, what is your thing? What is your thing that you're passionate about? What is the thing that you know really, really well that you can help others with? You create a very simple digital product about it, and then you jump on YouTube and you talk about it. Now, I couldn't sit here and talk about this without addressing one key thing, which is the cringe. A lot of people don't want to start YouTube. They don't want to get online because they don't want their colleagues, they don't want their family, they don't want their friends to see what they're doing and feel really embarrassed. Right now, I'm sitting in a very cold car in a road where a lot of people are walking past me, wondering what the hell I'm doing. But do I care? No, because I monetize my content. Videos like this make me money, and they can make you money too. So if you're worried about being cringe, think about, what is more important? Is it being cringe, you know, me sitting here talking to a camera while buses go by, or is it getting paid? Is it taking an hour out of your lunch break to record content that is going to get you paid? Now, also, Most people are not going to find you until you blow up, okay? Most people are not going to find you until you're having some success. And at that point, you're making thousands selling your digital products. You're already monetized and you're probably already getting brand deals. So those people don't have to be your colleagues for much longer. Yeah, you can quit. So if you're broke, if you need a second income, if you're just craving a more luxurious, abundance filled lifestyle, where you're not chained to your desk, where someone is not telling you what to do with every minute of your time, get on YouTube. And as soon as you've created your account, drop it below. I am going to subscribe to you. I will be your first of many, many, many subscribers. See you in the next one.